politics in Mount Kenya region is heating up and things just got explosive. Pro-Ruto politicians are facing fierce backlash, public humiliation, and even chased out of events. Yes, chased out. But why? What does this mean for 2027? Let's break it down. Mathera Member of Parliament Eric Wamombi learnt the hard way. Insulting former Deputy President, especially in Mount Kenya region, it's a big mistake. At a recent event, he attended a burial and the clergy politely asked them not to do politics. They came here for one business and they all agreed to it. But when the Member of Parliament took the mic, he called Gachagua a conman and the crowd instantly turned on him. They started chanting and booing him. And he was particularly run out of the venue. But this is not just one MP. It's a warning shot to any politician backing Ruto in his region. Remember, Wamombi was among the politicians who are at the forefront, pushing for the impeachment of Gachagua. Now, politically, he's cancelled in Mount Kenya region, and people do not want to hear whatever he was saying.
Mathera hatuungi Rigathi Gachagua mkono sababu aliachilia huyu mama, alimtumia akamwachilia. Hiyo ndio ukweli. Na sikize, sisi kama watu wa Mathera hatuungi msimamo wa Rigathi Gachagua.
The message from the Mount Kenya voters is loud and clear. Ruto allies, stay away. Well, for the 2027 election, they could still be years off, but the ground is already shifting. Local popularity in political environment is everything. And right now, pro-Ruto figures are on thin ice. The question then is, can they recover? Or is this a sinking ship? So, what's next? Will Ruto allies in the Mount Kenya region stage a comeback? Or is the Mount Kenya slipping away? One thing is for sure, 2027 will be war. Drop your predictions below. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more explosive political updates.
Kwa mazishi na huyu Gachagua hajasaidia huyu mama, ametumia huyu mama alafu anamwachilia alafu anatuma wajinga hapa Burango na Kashedi wakuja waharibu mazishi. Nimewaambia hapa hakuna kuharibu mazishi, na ndio maana nimewasema saidia huyu mama na watoto wake. Na huyu mama amekuwa akitumiwa na Rigathi Gachagua, alafu anatuma vijana hapo wakuze kuditisha. Mimi sitashwangi hao vijana wake anatuma, hawapange vizuri,